Kooglupooglu. Hello everybody, and here we're in another art class. And today, this craft will gobble 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 all the way home. We're gonna make a Thanksgiving turkey bookmark. You know turkeys have feathers, right? So in those feathers, we're gonna write what we're thankful for. So we need markers, scissors, a pencil, which we won't use that much, I guess, and a glue stick. We're gonna need some construction paper. So these three colors I'm gonna use for my feather. But if you wanna use more, sure, that's okay. And this square sheet, this brown color, this one we'll use to make our turkey. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's first make the turkey, and next we're gonna make the feather. Hey, we're done! Gobble, 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 gobble. Now it's time to color the gobbling turkey. So let's make some eyes. Oh, this is my turkey. So you see cheeks, eyes, and the mouth. Here I have my scissors, because we're going to cut out the edges to make a beautiful design. And I already cut out my feathers, which are right here, which gave them beautiful design. Right here, if you can see. Final result of our turkey. I'm going to write a few words about we are thankful and who we are thankful for. And then, if you want to write anything in the feather, you can. But when I'm done, I'm going to put it in my book. So let's get going. So I'm done, and this is how it looks. It says, Happy Thanksgiving, and it says I'm thankful to my family, thankful to my friends, I'm thankful to God, I'm thankful to teachers, and I'm thankful to the planet we live on, planet Earth. Let me go onto the page, read. Ooh, I want to go on this page, so we put it like this. Tight and snug it in. Close the book. No, it's not fitting properly. So bum. I forgot which page I'm reading. So let's open back up. So that was the page I was reading. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks on the back. This is how it looks on the front.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.